In this video, I'll show you how to print a 2x2 image in Canva. To do this, first create a 2x2 canvas in Canva. Just go to Canva dashboard first and then click the custom size, and here you need to select unit as inch. And now width size is 2 and the height size is also 2. Now click create new design button. And here is the size, which is 2x2 aspect ratio. And now click here to upload your image. So let's say this one my image, and I want to print it in 2x2 image size. First adjust the image to your canvas, and you need to do other things. First go to the file section and go to the setting and go to show margin. So this is the margin of your image. You need to do everything inside the margin. And another thing is you also need to go to the file section and go to setting and show print bleed. So these are actually the boundary. You need to keep everything inside this boundary. So you see the upper boundary of this image is this, and the lower boundary is also this. And now let's adjust the image in this boundary and take it in the middle position. And now let's give the background color as what commonly used in passport: F5, F5, F5. So this is the gray background. And now click the image and remove the image original background. So now everything is perfect for print 2x2 image in Canva. Now first go to file section and uncheck the margin. And now again go to file section and uncheck the show print bleed. So this is your image and it is ready to print. To print it with a right size, you need to click share button and click download button. And here from the file type, you need to select PDF print. And now you can download it to print it with 2x2 aspect ratio or 2x2 size. Just click here and download the image. Your image is ready to download. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I read each of the comment and reply all of the comments. Thank you so much.